Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to do a 12-minute affiliate review. Been really looking forward to this review. I believe it got pretty close to the top of the leaderboards when it comes to ClickBank sales for a specific product in the e-business category. So I'm curious, is it all hype or is it actually legitimate? That's exactly what we're going to cover today. So if you're looking forward to the content, please smash that like button. You know the algorithm loves it. And also subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So let's get right into it. 12-minute affiliate. Is it legitimate? Is it a scam? Can you make money with it? Well, yes, you can, but I'm going to be brutally honest with you. It's a lot like other systems out there, such as Perpetual Income 365. That was a product I reviewed a few days back. Now, just because they're sort of, I don't want to say copycats, because it's not a copycat. It was created by another internet marketer, but the same principles still apply. Step number one, you set up an affiliate account. Step number two, you get an autoresponder. Step number three, you set up that autoresponder. Step number four, you activate your money pages or your capture pages. And step number five, you simply plug into the done for you traffic, aka solo ads, and you start running traffic into the system. So you notice this with most systems, right? And then you wonder, why am I failing? Because a lot of you guys jump from product to product and program to program, wondering why that it is that you're struggling. And the truth is it's not the systems that you're joining. It's in fact you. The number one thing that you should be doing is building an audience. And to build an audience, you need to build yourself, right? To get somebody to influence, to be influenced to buy from you, you need to be able to be in a position of authority. And you do that by building a following on social media, through an email list, on offline, or even online, really depending upon where your customers are at. So when it comes to the online business market and specific products that teach people how to make money online, a lot of people say done for you systems, right? You hear done for you systems, you hear 100% commissions, you hear completely done for you. You hear you don't have to worry about tech skills or ClickFunnels or email autoresponders, anything like that. And those are buzzwords to get you in the front door to buy the product. Now, it's not to say that the product's a scam, because a lot of people will come through, they'll follow this, 5-step process that I went through, and they will get results. And that's great, but are those results sustainable long term? No, they're not. Because when you rely on an entity, or you rely on a company or a person to take care of everything for you, and let's say something happens to them tomorrow, then guess what? You are back where you started, on the hamster wheel yet again, looking for the next opportunity. So at some point, you have to take the reins and you have to take a hold of building your own business. I'm telling you, when you go through this product, like many other systems out there, you'll complete the step-by-step training. You may get results, you may not get results, because most systems out there, they want to simplify things for the newbie, which is great. But then what happens is it also limits the newbie, because they'll run solo ads, they'll run the 2-minute traffic, and then they won't get the results that they want. And then they're like, okay, now what do? Do I just go purchase more traffic? Because they don't know how to take those leads that they now got from solo ads and build a relationship with those leads and get them to buy stuff. They don't know how to write email copy. Yes, the system does that for you, but the system can't do absolutely everything to help you get those sales. So when you see people on YouTube succeeding with 12-minute affiliate or succeeding with other systems, it's because they're complementing the system with their own marketing. So what they're doing is they're sending emails out in conjunction with the emails of the system. They're creating videos on YouTube. They're building a following on Facebook. They're doing the extracurricular things to ensure that they succeed. And so I'm sorry if you're given the wrong expectations, that if you go through 12-minute affiliate, you set up your system, you start driving traffic through the done for you traffic, you're going to quit your job and you're going to reach your dreams. There's more to that. At some point, you need to learn to follow up with those leads through an email autoresponder. At some point, You want to learn how to use funnels and create funnels like through ClickFunnels and Leadpages. I recently took a survey, and if I remember right, it was like right around 50% of people that had no idea how to create a funnel. That's why you're failing. And so if you really want to create job quitting income, we're talking about a consistent $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month. You have to learn either how to build funnels or how to create a following through vehicles such as YouTube or other social media platforms online, or just simply learn the skill set of driving traffic and converting that traffic into sales. How you do that is completely up to you. If you become an expert at driving traffic through solo ads and converting that traffic through email, that's your thing. Go work on that. Maybe you don't like to do video, and maybe that's the way to go. If you are inclined to do video, just all you do is YouTube videos every single day and you build an audience through YouTube. Or you decide to do Facebook. Maybe you like the Facebook hustle and you're okay with posting images and text and doing lifestyle posts, but not putting yourself on camera and doing Facebook marketing. It's completely up to you, but you want to leverage one of these platforms to build an audience and convert that audience. And that's what it's really all about in the long term. I've actually got a video that goes into detail about what you should do as a beginner affiliate marketing, what steps you should take. It actually goes through the 3 stages of an online entrepreneur and what you should do at stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So 12-Minute Affiliate essentially is going to teach you how to drive traffic into its own system. So you could very easily go out there and build a free audience over on YouTube. And then you can send people straight to the ClickBank product through the ClickBank marketplace without even having to buy the product if you choose to do so. Now, if you're going to run solo ad traffic, that's a little bit different. If you're going to do email traffic, it's good to buy the program and then go through it because you're going to get extra assets that are going to allow you to promote that program. Because if you're doing email marketing, it's essential to have a funnel. If you're doing YouTube marketing, it's not essential for you to build a funnel because people are seeing you on the front end of your marketing. This video is a perfect example. And when you build a relationship with them, you can send them straight to the offer without you having to build a funnel whatsoever. So it really just depends on the platform that you pick. So my verdict of 12-Minute Affiliate is you're going to get some short-term results, but if you want to sustain those results, go out there, learn funnels, learn email marketing, learn how to be on video if you can, and learn how to market on social media. So that's my verdict. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to tick that bell icon to receive all future videos, notifications of those videos, and when I upload those specific videos. So go out there, learn how to be an independent entrepreneur, you guys, and have many different streams of affiliate income. Don't just attach yourself to one product or one system, because at the end of the day, when you can build a big audience online, then you can sell multiple products, creating multiple streams of income. So that should be your number one priority. 12-Minute Affiliate is not your business. Your business is your brand. Products are an extension of that brand. Hope you got value from this, you guys. Take care. And if you want more resources on how to build a business online, I will post those in the description below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.